Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So today I've created a Selena Gomez inspired look. This look is inspired by Selena's look in her Ice Cream music video, which is in collaboration with Blackpink. Honestly, this was so fun and so easy to recreate, but it turned out so freaking beautiful, if I do say so myself. So if you would like to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to start with prepping my base, and for that I'm going to use the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer and also MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus. This is in the original variant. So I've mainly applied the Tatcha primer to the center of my face, but this I'm going to spray all over my face. Nothing too much, just a light layer of the spray just to prep our skin really nicely. Now while I wait for my primers to sink in, I'm going to start with my eyes. I'm going to prep my eyelids with the NYX eyeshadow base. This is in Skin Tone. This really helps in evening out your skin tone if you have colored eyelids like I do, and also holds and brings out the pigment of your eyeshadows really well. Honestly, we're not doing too much with our eyelids today because Selena doesn't have a lot, but it's always good to have an amazing eyeshadow base because that way your eyeshadow lasts a lot longer. I'm going to fill in my brows with the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. This is in dark brown. Her eyebrows are very heavily filled in the picture, so that is what I'm going to do also. Can you believe I have like a zit in my freaking eyebrow? Her eyeshadow look is actually pretty simple, so I'm going to use the PAC eyeshadow box in Smoked Out Sass. It's a pretty amazing dupe of the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. I feel like this is literally identical to the Huda Beauty one. I'm going to start with this very warm toned chocolate brown shade and I'll put it in my crease. I'm also putting it on my outer corners and kind of extending it outwards only a little bit. Now to blend the first shade properly, I'm taking this shade. On her eyelids, she has a veil of a light golden shimmer, and for that I'll use this shade from the palette. I'm going to use a fluffy brush to apply this because I don't want a lot of pigment. I'm using the Color Bar Just Smoky Kajal in Just Black. I'm going to put it in my lower waterline and also my upper waterline. I'm now taking the Color Bar Ultimate Eyeliner in Ultimate Black. I'm going to create a wing with this because her main focus of the look is her wing. I'm pretty sure that she has used her own eyeliner pen to create that wing because her makeup artist actually said that she was wearing Rare Beauty, which is her makeup brand, in the video. I'm taking the black eyeshadow from the palette and I'm going to press it on my wing just so that it becomes even more matte and super dark, just like hers. And also this eyeliner is not particularly good for really like sharp wings. It's good for little small wings because it kind of skips if you go too outwards with it. So basically I need to fix that. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. So Rare Beauty isn't available outside America, but from all the reviews I've seen, and I have seen a lot, her foundation is quite liquidy but has a lot of pigment and really easy to work in. And everybody says that it's very like lightweight but still medium to buildable coverage, and also very glowy. Guess what? So is this L'Oreal foundation. So I thought I would kind of use dupes according to my best knowledge and according to the reviews that I've seen, because obviously I've not personally used her products. So I thought I would actually use this. I'm using a damp Wet n Wild sponge to blend this out. So this is the finish of the foundation. I love it. Very dewy, very glowy, right up my alley. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Sand. I'm going to put this underneath my eyes to highlight them, and also in the center of my forehead here, and just a little bit on my nose. I'm going to set all the areas that we just highlighted using the Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder in transparent. Make sure to tap out all the creases from underneath your eyes before setting them, because you don't want to set your creases. If you're someone who gets oily faster, you can also set the rest of your face, but I'm not going to. I'm going to lightly bronze my skin using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. Okay, now let's complete our eyes, and for that I'm using the same eyeshadow palette. I'm mixing the two shades that we used on our crease, which is this shade and this shade over here. For mascara, I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara in black. Selena is wearing lashes that are very cat-eyed almost, so it kind of flares towards the outer corners, and for that I'm using the Huda Beauty Lash in Samantha. By the way, I'm wearing my Selena Gomez t-shirt. I totally did that on purpose. So to line my lips, I'm using the NYX Slide On Glide On something something something, really long name, lip liner in Sweet Pink. I'm going to line my lips with this and also fill in my lips with this. I'm using the Colourpop Just a Tint Lip Crayon in Shaka, I guess. So this is a nude color actually, and these are pretty like balmy and glossy, and Selena's look is very glossy and also not this bright of a pink. It's somewhere in the middle, so this would be perfect to tone it down and also give it a little bit of a gloss. Look, do you see the difference between this lip and my top lip? I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade CEO. Just 2 dots on our lips. I'm also using the same lipstick as my liquid blush. To highlight my face, I'm using the Maybelline Master Strobing Cream in Nude. And with that, we're done with today's makeup look. Oh, 1 second, let me go and find a top, if I can, that is similar to what Selena is wearing. I'll be right back. So, couldn't find anything majorly similar, but this was it. It's like a pink or a reddish pink top with white stripes, kind of similar to what Selena is wearing. I also put on some hoops, so does it help the look? A little bit. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Absolutely love recreating different celebrity looks. Please subscribe to my channel for makeup, skincare and beauty content, and also like this video if you liked it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I think that is about it, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.